Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you take multiple pictures on iPhone. To do that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now just in the settings scroll here and go to your phone camera. Now in the camera here you can see use volume up for burst. Click on it. Now just go back and go to your phone camera. Now just click on your volume up button to take multiple pictures. Now just click on your photo and now just click the bottom select. Now you can select the photo as many as you want. Tap the white circle in the photo and you can select the photo by tapping it. After that just click the top right done. Now clicking everything you can keep all the pictures that you have taken, or by clicking 5 you can just keep the 5. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.